How to fix Binance login problem on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Binance login problem on Android device. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the method 1, that is to clear Binance app cache and data. So to do that, simply long press and hold on the Binance app icon, and from the pop-up menu simply tap on the option labeled app info, and after that you'll be prompted to the app settings. In here you can simply tap on the option labeled clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen, and after tapping on that a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu you can simply tap on both clear data and clear cache, and after doing it this could solve your problem. But if the problem still persists, you can simply move on to the second step, that is to reinstall the Binance app. So simply uninstall the Binance app, and once you have done that, simply restart your phone and reinstall Binance from the Google Play Store. And it can sometime update and fix the glitches that was remained in the older version. And that's it. That's how you can fix the login problem on Binance app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.